Hello everyone, this is Nate here with your 19th Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about the basics of dictionaries as well as some tools that you can use in dictionaries. So let's get started. So what a dictionary is it pretty much something that you can store keys and values. So if I had a number, for example, then I can store a name, like Joe, or something like that. As in other programming languages, this is called a hash table, and it pretty much does the same thing. There are all sorts of uses for dictionaries. You can use them to, if you have a bunch of names, you can key them up with a number, so you can find each person, and so you have unique keys. So that's can be used like that. So it can be like a primitive form of a SQL database. You can also use it, for example, if you have a bunch of names and telephone numbers, then you can find the person's name and you can look at their telephone number. You can use this for all sorts of things. Use your imagination, and I'm pretty sure if you look online you could find some other uses for it. But today I want to show you how to make it. So to make a dictionary, you type in the name of it, like any other variable, and use braces, and you put in your key. I'm going to use a number, and then I'm going to put in a name like Jeff. And how a dictionary looks, the syntax of it is you have the key and then a colon separating the key and the value, and then you have your value. And these can be any type of data type. They don't have to be a string or number. They can be anything else. And then your pairs are separated by a comma. Let me say Bob. I'm not really creative with names, so this is the best you'll get out of me. And that's a primitive dictionary. And if we print it, it just pretty much gives us exactly what that dictionary looks like. No special format. What did I do wrong? Oh, forgot the colon. And here we go. And that is a dictionary. So moving on, how they're indexed is a little different from lists. And lists, you had it zero based, where it went 0, 1, 2, and you didn't have a say in anything. On dictionary, you get to choose your own keys or indexes. So the index of Jeff is 1, and the index of Bob is 2, and we don't have to make it that way. We can make the index of Bob like 54 or something. So that's how dictionaries are indexed, and I can prove that right here by putting in that, and it will give me Bob, like so. Moving on to adding and deleting and changing dictionary values. If we want to delete a value, what we would do is put a delete statement in and do delete my dict, and we can do and then brackets, and then delete Jeff from there. And we'll take that out so we see what the dictionary looks like now. And we just have Bob this time. If we want to add something to a dictionary, what we would do is my dict, excuse me, and then we can use brackets, and we put in our new key. Let's put it in 3, and then we set it equal to our new value, and let's say Sue, and that puts it in there at a random points, and we have it Sue right there, and voila, that's how you add something. If we want to change something, then pretty much the same mechanic. Just put in that old we put in that key, and then it will change it to our new value, like that. Moving on to printing out everything in a dictionary, each item. through a for loop. We do for and then our iterator variable I in my dict dot items, and then print I. Run that, and it gives us the pairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed that short little tutorial on dictionaries. As all sorts of uses, and yeah, so I will see you guys next time in the final beginner video of the beginner section, where we talk about string functions. So see you then.